Agina agwe segeti kwa mwire turatikara kegese ya mbaro roba ko bunena kinga kiyo bakorera waino inse serikali ya umugavana James Ongwae egetinkia rosetigu gekabege siekire kyari gutuke emekutano ya kisiasa shabana yakoro cya inka kora segetikia wendo Green Stadium
une propaganda
ekero umugavana simba araje narako bakagosoa akamanya guitavera shabana segetigu na kyari
digana na propaganda ichi mwana minto. I was the first person ekero na so ministry was scrap completely tukabika shabana egachaka utumike egeti free of charge. Tigana na propaganda ichi abantu bagwa kaisiko kamwa I'm here. I'm talking about facts. I was a minister there. Tin minister obono iga. Kwaroli. So I was a minister there and I knew what used to happen. Shabana was using Gusii Stadium free of charge. And actually Gusii tell Shabana yoka. We had very many clubs. Ndo whether club kia Gusii Starlets. Ndo whether club kia Gusii FC. I was the first minister to make Gusii Stadium ever accessed free. And actually when you kumanya, una reason why na bete suspended from office. Do you know why? Kerona atebetenga Gusii Stadium negeti kyo mwananchi. Mwananchi unde kwenzi na abana abaro kibata itegucha gotengo robutuko. Bata itegucha gotengo kogi chabaka nete batuwatiti procedure. They should be allowed to use that facility. When you kumanya na aba muraba boda bajite gutumige tikeri. Ikoro bajite gutumige tikeri kumbe umugavana no deputy governor mbabwate issues chiapo. Ndamanyite. Umumuru bwete chikura chia boda igarengo umuntu uri gusupport no deputy governor. Uyu mugavana atagoreta atagete. Nkabwatera nigume busa ndatabiringa ki ngoyo taganira gutuka gitigo so naganira gutuka gitigo. That's what happened. So I was the first person to open Gusii Stadium to the public. As long as bakanite babwate the procedure na ande batebetenga in case to sali kende gyonsi mali we are liable.
Egeti nke igoretu engaki yao kigatumeka konde to na say league ya 2021 2022 ndo chabana gosori cha inka kuru awendo stadium kimanegeti kia rekorosi ugatia igago.
There is a time kero tu alikobeka a tartan track. You know, let me tell you one thing umano minto. Egeti requires maintenance from time to time. Do you want to? There is a time to tevenga ki mbure kerere nyinge egeti geko overused. So it requires time to cure. Do you want to, my brother? So probably na baya alikunya alikananga one game na bana ichi timu ichi nechon. There are times batali gutumige tiki yabo because maybe the facilities are undergoing maintenance. But I don't remember very many instances, maybe one or two of those instances. Egen tugiacha kusalige ti bono is immediately kera abantu ba injoma tena designeti a year two before a 10 year. Kerona soka, kerona ruo na limisi